Hey everyone, James Reeves, TFBTV, EnforceTac 2025 here at the Steyr booth with Nicholas. You guys have seen him on the program before. We are looking at, finally, a Glock magazine 9mm AUG. Do my eyes deceive me, Nicholas, or was that statement accurate?
It is.
I can't believe it.
It is. It is a 9mm pistol magazine adapter that is super easy to fix onto the 9mm AUG. And it works as a conversion with the new 9mm magazines and your go-to pistol manufacturer magazines. We're very happy that we finally could realize this, and then more even happy to show this.
Yeah.
It is a fantastic step forward, and yeah, this is already made as a serial tool, or from the serial tool as a serial part. So we're very happy to offer it.
Yeah, I mean, I'm excited about the entire thing. Now, let me ask you this. Are we looking at a complete gun? Are we looking at just an adapter? Somebody is watching this video right now saying, oh shit, a 9mm AUG that accepts Glock magazines. Do I go to Bass Pro Shops and buy the gun? How do they get this?
So, on these AUGs, the adapter is sort of proprietary. It has to have a specific bolt because the meat and bones in there is specific to the adapter, but it will work with the training kit that we have, which is fantastic. So in general, if you're buying the new conversion kits, this will work. Not on the older models that we have. So if you had the one with the steel adapter and the steel magazines, unfortunately we could not make this work, but with the new ones, these work, which is fantastic.
Okay, if I have a standard AUG in the United States, what parts, obviously I would need to change out the barrel.
Yeah.
Obviously I would need to change out the stock. Can I even use my original 223 5.56 receiver with this kit?
Yeah. With the conversion kit that is being offered, yes.
And so that's primarily how you guys are going to be selling this, is as a conversion kit.
Yeah, correct. As a conversion kit, you go ahead, use your pistol magazines, and then you pop in the adapter, and you're good to go. And the adapter accepts the magazine, super dumb, super easy, and it's repeatable.
Okay.
For your police units and all that.
What comes with the conversion kit?
Check out our website.
It's
on the website of our U.S. enterprise. I think it's the barrel. It's the bolt,
the barrel. Right.
And the police magazine. So if they're going to configure it with the magazine adapter or not, I cannot say. It's up to them. I'm the Austrian, and they make the decision on the U.S. market. I'm not taking it away from them.
Right.
They take all the decisions. They tell us what they need and what we need to do.
Okay, so you don't know the particulars in terms of what comes with the conversion kit in the U.S. side.
Yes, correct.
But we're hoping that we're going to be able to get this like with the adapter to accept Glock magazines, with the barrel, with the bolt. So all I got to do is slap all this stuff on to. I mean, I could probably even use my original stock, right?
Yeah.
So if I got the 5.56 version, I'm guessing I just need a new bolt, new barrel, and this adapter, more or less.
Correct. This is solely speaking for the semi-auto variants. On the full auto, we do have a proprietary stock, which has this sort of roof on the ejector port, because we had to specifically design this as the ejecting wasn't as good as we were hoping for with the other stock, so we had to redesign. And this was our solution.
For the full auto.
For the full auto.
So semi-auto,
semi-auto,
99% of people watching this don't care about that. Yeah. Do we have any idea of pricing on the conversion kit? Probably not, huh? In the U.S.?
For the U.S., again, we just released it. The U.S. do the U.S. thing. For us, we're looking at somewhere roughly at 300 to 400 euros.
Okay, so not that expensive.
Correct.
Hopefully it'll be roughly the same in the
Correct.
U.S. Last round bolt hold open, does it work?
It will.
Nicholas, thank you so much for taking the time to show this to us.
Thank you very much.
Guys, thanks for tuning in to TFBTV. Stay tuned, we're bringing you more EWA EnforceTac 2025. Take care.